I am very excited to share with you our newly launched subdivision, which is Crescela New Valley. Good morning everyone. By the way, I am Rio Cabawatan, also known as the Royal Properties, and I'm very excited po to share with you our newest launch subdivision, which is Crescela. And before that, let's have a quick drive tour po muna para po makita natin yung mga developments inside New Valley. So tara guys, samahan niyo po muna ako sa aking quick drive tour. Gaya po ng nasabi ko sa naunang video ko, New Valley is the largest eco-development project in Ayala Land. It composed of 2,500 hectares and twice the size of Makati and 10 times the size of BGC. At dahil sobrang laki po ng New Valley, nahati siya into 4 segments. The New Valley North, New Valley Central, New Valley South, and New Valley Heights. Andito po tayo ngayon sa entrance ni New Valley, kung saan po located yung ating man-made koi pond, Solenad Malls, and as you can see po sa ating right side, makikita po natin yung Ayala Mall Solenad 1, 2, and 3. And also, ongoing na din yung construction ng Solenad 4. And on our left side is yung ating man-made koi pond, approximately 4 hectares na pwede din po kayong mag-koi fish feeding and mag-boating. Diyan din po located yung ating Seda Hotel and also the ongoing construction of Techno Hub. This will be the Ayala office na soon mag-o-open din for BPO and IT careers and opportunities. And on our right side naman, dito natin makikita yung Landers. And by the way, this is the 10th branch of Landers here in the Philippines. Pag diretso naman po, andyan yung SNR. Yung newly opened commercials which includes Uniqlo, McDonald's, Coffee Bean, and Jollibee. And dyan din po located yung ating Healthway, QualiMed Hospital na magkakaroon ng expansion for kidney center. This will be the first kidney center outside Metro Manila. And dito din po sa location na ito natin makikita yung ongoing construction ng SM Yulo Premier, na para po siyang resemblance ni SM Aura sa BGC. And on our left side naman po is the East Block. East Block is 11.7 hectares in size na purely commercials. And yung katapat naman po is the North Central Business District. And good thing po, no, pag natapos po lahat yung mga developments po na ito po yung magiging parang BGC inside New Valley. Sa loob ng New Valley, mayroong rotonda. Yung first exit po is papuntang Casilla Road, going to Tagaytay Highlands. Yung second exit naman po is yung way papuntang New Valley Central. Dito naman po natin makikita yung Central Block. Makikita natin dito yung unang ginagawang establishments na The Shops, mga restaurant, and yung Mary Mart. Dito din po located yung ating school, which is Xavier School, one of the school inside New Valley. And pag diretso naman po natin dito, makikita natin yung Solara Park, Stories, New Valley. This is the first ever pet-friendly condo of Abida here in the Philippines. For those who are interested naman po mag-invest sa condo for passive income, you can message me po through my Viber and to my Messenger. Sabi po, no, yung mga establishments na makikita natin dito inside New Valley, na in the future, pag natapos po lahat yung mga developments po dito, grabe po yung magiging market value appreciation dito. That's why New Valley is considered as the next Makati or BGC in the South. But this time po, mas improved version na siya. Kasi dito mas malalaki yung mga roads, malapad yung mga daan, mas malalaki yung mga puno, at mas malinis po yung mga hangin. And on our left side naman is yung Rockwell. Maybe some of you might be wondering po, bakit may Rockwell inside New Valley? It's not exactly po inside Nuvali, but technically yung last part na property ni Rockwell ay nakadikit po along Nuvali Boulevard. And magkakaroon din dito ng power plant mall. And also knowing Rockwell na sobrang ganda din ng mga ginagawa nilang developments. So it's like yung mga benefits po ng mga taga-Rockwell residents na pwede silang pumasok dito sa Nuvali and vice versa. Ito naman pong tumbok na dinadaanan natin is a 10 hectares alfresco mall para siyang market in BGC. Pero yun po ay 8 hectares lang. Palakihin nyo pa po ito ng kaunti. And sa pinakaituktok naman po is the prime view ng Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Highlands, and Laguna de Bay. Dito naman po sa ating left side, makikita natin yung 31 hectares na play park activation area na hinati naman po sa tatlo. Una po is yung golf driving range. And dito din po located yung Veranda Sunset. Second po yung pet park or dog park and garden center na parang botanical garden naman po sa Baguio. And yung third set naman po is yung bike trail. Dito naman po sa area na din na ito ng Nuvali, nandito po yung ating school like Miriam College and Everest School Academy. Ito naman po yung mga schools na makikita natin in Nuvali South. And kanina nadaanan po natin yung Xavier School. And sa labas naman po ng Nuvali along Santa Rosa area, makikita natin yung UST Santa Rosa. Andyan din po yung LaSalle at University of the East. So we are here now at the location of Crisela Nuvali. Finally, nandito na tayo sa site ng Crisela Nuvali. Pero hindi dito yung exact location niya, no? Kung makikita nyo, mula dito, doon sa likod ng Mondia, which is owned by Alveo, so doon malapit yung property natin, which is Crisela Estate Nuvali. From 199 to 219 meters above sea level. So sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin dito. At sobrang lamig, na para ka na ding nasa Tagaytay. It's because amongst the subdivisions of Abida Land inside Nuvali, ito yung may pinakamataas na elevation. And dito, makikita mo yung prime view of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Highlands, and Laguna de Bay. Sa Abida po meron po tayong 3 categories. The first one po is the estates, the second one is the settings, and the last one po is the village. At kasama po pala si Crisela sa estate dahil isa po siya sa pinaka-high-end na subdivision in Nuvali. Crisela is a pre-selling community and the target completion date is on the second half of 2028. Half in size lang po siya ng ibang mga subdivisions po ng Abida Land dito sa Nuvali. Ang kagandahan naman po dito is, since kakaunti lang po kayo mga resident dito, kakaunti lang din po kayong mag-share sa mga amenities na mayroong ino-offer si Crisela. And good thing din po about dito is 45% po ng spaces is for open spaces, parks, roads, amenities, eco yards, and playgrounds. And 55% naman po is for residential. The size of amenities is less than a hectares. It features 8,700 square meter of amenities including adult and kiddie pool, basketball courts, clubhouse, play equipment, kids play area, pocket parks, open spaces, and jogging paths. For our lots only naman po, available sizes po natin ay from 140 square meter up to 240 square meter. And this is the best time to invest a lot here in Crisela. Kasi po, sobrang in demand po talaga ng lots dito sa Nuvali. We offer po up to 42 months. Kasi po, usually, yung mga previous po namin is up to 36 months po. At mabilis po talagang tumaas yung value ng property dito sa Ayala. Because knowing Ayala po, no doubt po na Ayala is Ayala po. Ayala po is one of the best developer here in the Philippines. Erin is a 3-bedroom model house unit with a floor area of 95 square meter at meron na po siyang 2 carport. While Solea naman is a 4-bedroom unit with a floor area of 110 square meter at meron na rin po siyang 2 carport. Ang kagandahan po kay Solea, meron siyang kwarto sa ibaba, so if meron kayong mga kasamang senior citizen na family members, hindi na po sila mahihirapang pumanik pa sa second floor. Don't worry guys, sa susunod na video ko, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung loob ng ating model house na Erin at Solea. For more information and inquiry, you can reach out to me via my Facebook page at The Royal Properties or through my Viber at 0975-737-8911. So stay tuned. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates in my next videos. Once again, this is Rio Cabawatan presenting you Abida Properties by Ayala Land.